What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at again with another video. As you guys can tell by the title, it's an end of another month. We're at the end of October of 2021, so we got to go over the October dividends. Of course, I make these dividend videos every single month, but pretty much this video is going to be a little bit different. I didn't really receive that many dividends this month, so we're not going to do the normal structured video. Plus, Robinhood, the app has been acting kind of weird as far as showing dividends and stuff like that for me personally, so I'm just going to do it on my separate app that I have here on my trackyourdividends.com website. Link up there to watch that video, and it's also a free tutorial on how to do everything. But regardless, we're going to go over my October dividends for the month of October of 2021. So let's not waste any more of your time. Let's get right into the video. Let's go. If you're new around here, I make videos talking all about personal finance. So if you're interested in content like that, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and check out the links down below because it'll get you some free stuff when it comes to stocks, cryptocurrency, and just general cash back. So if you're interested, there you guys go. There it is. But pretty much, let's talk about my dividends for the month of October. Overall, I have a dividend investing portfolio, dividends and growth. So right now it's sitting at about $35,000, but we're going to talk about the dividends specifically for October. But as always, when I first start these videos off, I always go over how much money I'm actually making from dividends with the portfolio I have right now. So we go on over to trackyourdividends.com. I can pull it up for you. So right here on trackyourdividends.com, this is the best free dividend tracker. I can go ahead and click on my Robinhood portfolio with dividends, and we can see exactly how much money I'm making from my Robinhood portfolio with dividends. And right now, my annual income from dividend investing alone with this particular portfolio is $952 in passive income every single year. Now, obviously, this number is going to continue to increase with me having some dividends getting reinvested back into those dividend stocks, and also continue to increase when I actually put more money towards my dividend stocks. So overall, this number will only go up for me unless, of course, I sell my dividend stocks, which I don't plan on doing anytime soon. Overall, I just want to get to that $1,000 threshold by the end of the year, and we're pretty much on track to do that. So let's see what happens. Regardless, let's talk about the dividends that I received for the month of October. Like I mentioned before, the Robinhood app has been acting a little bit funky trying to show me the dividends and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just go off the website and just do it that way. It is what it is. Regardless, the order in which I receive the dividends won't be in the exact order, but overall, I received these dividends in the month of October. So the first one on the list is ticker symbol JPM or JP Morgan Chase, and that was for $5.03. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of Chase. I use a lot of their products as far as their credit cards, their banking services, and their business banking services, as well as their business credit cards. So it only makes sense for me to be invested in a company like Chase. Right now it's sitting at $169.90 a share right now, and I plan on buying more stock. There's not much else going on with Chase stock right now at this moment, but I did receive that dividend of $5.03 in the month of October. The next stock I received a dividend from in the month of October was actually ticker symbol KO or Coke, and that was for $5.21. Coke is currently sitting at $56.37 a share right now. I have about 12 shares of Coke, overall up about 18% with my Coke shares, and it's pretty much all good to go with Coke stock. Right now, they're actually nearing close to their deal with Body Armor. If you guys don't know what Body Armor is, it's pretty much another branded type of Gatorade, but pretty much they're nearing the deal with Body Armor. They almost have full shares of Body Armor, or pretty much full ownership of the Body Armor brand. So once Coke adds that brand, they already have like over 100 brands anyway. Once Coke adds another drink brand to their arsenal, I don't see any issue with that. They're just doing their thing. It's literally Coke. It's been around for some time, and it's going to be around for some time. The next stock that I want to mention today that I got paid from in the month of October is ticker symbol MAIN. That stands for Main Street Capital, and they paid me $2.56. Main Street Capital is currently sitting at $43.82 a share right now, and I have about 12 shares of Main Street Capital, and pretty much I'm overall up about 32% with those 12 shares. In the simplest terms, Main Street Capital pretty much hands out loans to smaller companies, receives interest from those smaller companies in the form of payment every single month when they pay back those loans. Then we as investors receive a part of that interest that they receive every single month in the form of a monthly paying dividend stock. It's been pretty good to me, honestly, and I think I'm going to buy more shares very soon. Past Main, though, we have ticker symbol MPW, which paid me $5.93 and in the form of a dividend for the month of October. Ticker symbol MPW stands for Medical Properties Trust. They are a REIT, or a real estate investment trust. They own a whole bunch of different hospitals and healthcare centers, so all across the world. So pretty much they receive rental income from all of those businesses all across the world. Part of that rental income goes to us in the form of a dividend every single quarter, and I received mine this quarter. Currently, Medical Properties Trust is sitting at $21.33 a share right now. I have about 21 shares, and overall I'm up about 12% with them. Another REIT that paid me in the month of October, and probably most people's favorites, is Realty Income. That paid me $2.67 for the month of October. Realty Income owns a whole bunch of commercial real estate. So they own a whole bunch of Home Depots, Dollar Generals, LA Fitness. I think they own a couple Walmarts. Like, they own the actual building itself. And the same thing kind of goes here, like the Medical Properties Trust. They own all those buildings, so they actually receive rental income from those buildings every single month, and they pay us in the form of a monthly paying dividend stock. Probably most people's favorites when it comes to an actual real estate stock or real estate investment trust. So there you guys go. I talked about Realty Income on the channel multiple times. If you go look at anybody that's on YouTube that's talking about the stock market and talking about some solid dividend stocks that pay you every single month, Realty Income is likely on their list, just like it's on my list. Currently, Realty Income is sitting at $71.62 a share right now. I have about 11 shares, overall up about 20%. And they overall do have an earnings coming up, I believe, on November 1st. And they also have a merger closing date finally announced for their REIT merger, I believe. And that closes, I believe, on November 2nd, or the record date is on November 2nd. So a lot of stuff going on with this stock right now. We'll see how the price moves over the next week. It'll be really interesting to see. So I'm pretty excited about it. That is Realty Income. The next two stocks that I want to mention that paid me in the month of October are ticker symbol QYLD and ticker symbol RYLD. Ticker symbol QYLD paid me $10.92, and ticker symbol RYLD paid me $3.77. Overall, this is pretty much the same exact stock. One is for the Russell 2000 when it comes to covered calls on the stock market, and another one is for the NASDAQ 100 when it comes to covered calls on the stock market. They both perform covered calls on the stock market. The profits they receive, some of that portion goes to us in the form of a monthly paying dividend stock. I mentioned it on the channel before, and that's pretty much it as far as both of those go. I can run the numbers for you real quick, and I can show you how many shares I have on each one of them right here. So for ticker symbol QYLD, it's currently sitting at $22.78 a share right now. Neither one of these stocks moved that much, but sitting at $22.78 a share right now. I have about 50 shares of them. Overall, I'm only up about 1% or 1.5%. No big deal there. We're not here for that. We're here for the dividend solely, and they've been paying me a consistent dividend of around 10% ever since I've been invested into them. Same thing for RYLD. If we go check out RYLD, this is more of a new investment for me. They're sitting at $25.23 a share right now. Same thing goes here. I have about 15 shares of them. Overall, basically up about $2. Nothing crazy there, but we're here for the dividend, and they pay a solid dividend of around 10% every single month. Now, these fluctuate a lot as far as the dividend goes, but literally this passive income for me, I use this money to go and put it towards other stocks in my portfolio, and everything works out just fine. And that's pretty much it for both of them. So there you guys go, QYLD and RYLD. The next stock on the list is ticker symbol PSEC, or Prospect Capital. They paid me $7.15 for the month of October. Pretty solid stuff. Pretty much they do the same exact thing as Main Street Capital, or ticker symbol MAIN, or Main, where they actually go out, they hand out loans to smaller companies, they receive interest from those smaller companies, and a portion of that interest comes to us in the form of a monthly paying dividend stock. You gotta love it. Nothing crazy here. I have about 120 shares. We got it right here. About 120 shares of ticker symbol PSEC. Overall up about 68%. Not selling anytime soon. Not buying any more anytime soon. Simply collecting the passive income for it every single month. And the price of Prospect Capital right now is about $8.20 a share. And last but certainly not least on the list today is ticker symbol STAG, or Stag Industrial. They pay me a whopping $1.27 for the month of October. Overall, Stag Industrial actually owns a whole bunch of real estate as well. It is a REIT, so a real estate investment trust, and they own a lot of warehouses. So they have a lot of different warehouses across the entire US. All those warehouses, of course, they get rent from their actual customers, and some of their customers, like Amazon, like 3M, huge companies, need that warehouse space to obviously do their job. Amazon needs tons of warehouse space. Other companies need tons of warehouse space, and you may need tons of warehouse space for your own business when you pop off one day as well. So who knows? Either way, Stag Industrial right now is sitting at $43.50 $1.53 a share right now. I have about 10 shares or 10 and a half shares of Stag. Overall, I'm going to be buying Stag consistently for a long time, and I'm overall up about 2% with them right now. I just kind of got into Stag a couple months back, so there you guys go with Stag Industrial. And that brings the total to a whopping $42.58 for all the dividends I received for the month of October of 2021. I told you guys in the previous video that I wasn't going to receive too many dividends this month, but the next 2 months, November and December, ooh, those dividends look really good. Probably over $100 in a single month from dividends. So I'm pretty excited about the next 2 months coming up. That'll be the most I've ever received in any form of dividend payments overall for one single month. So I'm pretty excited for that. Regardless, we'll just have to wait and see when that happens. November 1st is literally right around the corner. If you're watching this video, it's probably already November. So there you guys go. That is it for all the dividends that I received for the month of October of 2021. Either way, if you did like this video and want to see more content like it, then you already know what to do. You're already in the right place. Go ahead and like that video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to stay locked in, see every time I upload videos. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you get the notification as soon as I upload the video. And check out those links down below. Like I said before, those links down below will get you some free stocks, free cryptocurrency, and free money back and things like gas, because the prices are really expensive right now. Also, make sure you go and check out the Patreon. You can go ahead and support the channel even further if you want to do that. Discord, if you want to check that out, that's 100% free. And check out some merch. Grab yourself a nice investor t-shirt, nice and comfortable. I'm also having hoodies very soon. The hoodie should be out by the time this video ends, or not this video ends, but the hoodie should be out by the time this video is posted, and you'll be all good to go there. So there you guys go. Take care of yourselves. It's a little bit different format this time. I hope it actually works out when I go and edit it. Probably won't. We'll see how that plays out. But that's pretty much it for the video. That's all I got to say for today. I'm out. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Stay hydrated. Dollar Mike. Peace.